have you seen the script inet to commons.js? What you do is that you add this line to your wiki commons. And that is a script. I have done a copy myself to another database of this. But if you know, my English is so bad, but see if I can find a bird. So if you add this, I thought I was searching on a bird. Star bird. What they do is that they connect using an API with iNaturalists. Here we have a bird. And this site is called iNaturalist. They is a site where you go out and make photos of your own pictures. Maybe I can log in. And no, it's Swedish here, I think. So here you can see what I have been out looking. I'm not good at this, but I've been down in Bali and found some birds or some trees, I think. And then other people can go in and correct what I think it is. They also use machine learning, saying this is probably something. So we can see that this person here, he said it's maybe a Seateles or what it is. So they have a picture. I try to say it's what species it is, or yes, and then they have connected to Wikidata. So if I go out now and look at this one, maybe we are on a... You can see here, yeah, they have connected now. So now because I'm running in Swedish, I get the Swedish version. So then that means that they have said that their number 332906 is the same as Wikidata. And as Wikidata is designed with support for languages and so on, I don't know if you are Swedish or not, but then it's the same as Seateles or what it is. We have down in Wikidata said that the number of this species, I got Swedish again, is the same. RQ623232 is the same. Here it is. So we are now connected both, and I think we have connected 600,000 taxon ID, P3151. So they say they are the same as us, and we say we are the same as them. So that, and we also say that not on this one, but on some species we say that this Wikidata object is the same as this category, Staurinus vulgaris. So we connect the pictures in Wikicommons with Wikidata, and Wikidata is connected with iNaturalist. This bottom here is a script where you go out and do a search to iNaturalist. And then you search for all pictures that have the correct copyright and has research quality. So it doesn't mean if I go out and say this is a bird X, then it will not appear here. But it will appear when more people has voted on it and said it's research quality. So I think this is how things should flow between different sites. As you said, it's speed. So we can see here that this is a bird somewhere, and if I do upload, that's a bad selection. We will see that they say this is a photo taken by this person and the source is that one. So if we go over here and look at this one, then it was 3rd October 2021 in Canada was this observed. So I think this is the vision we should have with other type of information. And when we can start connect things like they have done here, then it will be magic. See if I have added it here. No, I haven't. You go back here, so to. Sometimes I have added the. No, I haven't. How it looks in the API, but they have a very good API, iNaturalist, and so you have copyright information in machine readable form. You have species, you have research level, and so on and so on. Here we can see what you get. Here is what you get. On. So here they say, give me everything created on 2008. I would like to have the ID. Get places. Projects. Post user. We skip that, but as you can see, when you retrieve something, you get so much good information in a structured way. And if you can start to agree also that same as should be in some of those fields. For example, 2 weeks ago, I think, we used this call, and that's 2004. At 1 o'clock, it was announced, and 2 minutes later, we understood that Abdul Garnak has got a literature prize from Nobel. And we have had a lot of problems in Wikipedia. For example, we have Alfred Nobel, and he has Einstein. I mean, he has articles in 225 languages. And the problem with the Nobel Prize people was they moved around the articles. So if they start move something, then we have to correct it in Japanese and so on. It's impossible. So instead, when they released a API, we said every Nobel Prize winner will have a unique ID. So 2004 was the Literature Prize, 2005 is the Peace Prize, and 6, 7, 8. So next year we know that it's number 2007. So then we say, please show me the page for this ID, and they, if they move around things, they correct it. So what they have done now is that they gave us this API, and also they gave us this unique ID. Plus, what they did, which is so magic, is they did same as. So even when this Nobel Prize winner was winning in Sweden, we have a lot of people sitting and should say if it's a good selection or not. What happened was that no one knows who it was. But Wikidata know, because we knew that he is the same as Q317877. And we had a picture from 2000 something of him in Moscow. And we knew had articles in maybe 5 languages. And 1 day later, Wikidata was updated, And we had articles now, I think, in 40 languages, which is so magic, and how fast it could be. So now I'm running it. I don't know if you speak Swedish, but I changed to English. So we can see now that we have him in those languages. We have articles, if we look at the end, in 54 languages. See if we have more pictures of him. That would be even cooler. We had one when he was winning the prize. It's the same. That's sad. And that's the next step, that we also get the Nobel Prize people to release picture with the right copyright. So, and I think museums and many sites are excellent on this. But when you speak about with other people, they don't understand this problem with a challenge with copyrights. So this is how fast it should go, and how we are doing it. So what I am doing is that I have here a Java notebook where I run it locally at 1 o'clock every day in the week, in the Nobel week. So here I start doing, calling this API and say, give me 1,500 Nobel Prize winners, and then we compare the Nobel Prize winners we have in Wikidata, and can see that we have a diff, and that's the prize winner. Or what we have in Wikidata, because it's a crazy platform, is that we have vandalization. Some people goes in, do something bad, some people correct it. Was the last problem I found. But they corrected too much. So they also rolled back that this person was a Nobel Prize winner. Then when I checked in the new Nobel week, I found that, we are missing another one also. So then I had to go to this record and check for the difference. And I think this is, maybe it's my playground. But we get the people here with the prize. 2004 is that, 2005 is Peace Prize, I think, those two. So it's moving fast, but it could move much faster.